Today we are going to talk about the peptide bond, its nature and characteristics. Peptide bond formation. In a protein, amino acids are linked together by peptide bonds. This peptide structure is made up of two amino acids. Peptide bonds are amide linkages formed between alpha amino group of one amino acid and alpha carboxyl group of another. This reaction is a condensation dehydration reaction. That's water molecule is removed. A dipeptide is formed when two amino acids join together by one peptide bond shown in the diagram with carboxy terminus and amino terminus. The peptide bond has a partial double bond character that keeps the entire 6-atom peptide group in a rigid planar configuration. The double bond character is due to the resonance. The carbonyl group has partial negative charge and amide nitrogen has partial positive charge, thus setting up small electric dipole. Virtually all peptide bonds in proteins occur in trans configuration. Torsion angles phi and psi. The rotation is permitted about the bonds between the alpha carbon and nitrogen and alpha carbon and carbonyl carbon. By convention, the bond angles resulting from the rotations at alpha carbon are labeled as phi for the nitrogen and alpha carbon and psi for alpha carbon and carbonyl carbon. Rotation about bonds are described as torsion or dihedral or conformational angles. This rotation provides protein a convoluted structure of secondary and tertiary structures. Now let us discuss the properties of peptide bond. Peptide bonds are planar. Peptide bonds virtually exist in trans configuration. Shows double bond character. Act as a small electric dipole. Thank you. Have a nice day.